Hello guys, it's your boy Mathew Javier. Today we're going to do another video and another more knowledge about Cisco. So now, if you can see, there is a kid that's saying hello there. Now I will going to tell you about what is an IP address and a number system, all about it. So first of all, I'm Mathew Javier again, a student of Batangas State University, taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and a student of 2105. So let's proceed. First of all, what is an IP address? An IP address is for those who don't know IP address is address stands for Internet Protocol. That address parts refers to a unique numbers that gets linked to all online activity you do, somewhat like a return address on a letter you'd send out. All this happens in just so fast, like milliseconds. So that's the end of today that we're going to, and it should be. So first of all, you got connection. Your computer is hooked up to the internet one way or the other. When you go online for email to shop or chat, your request has to be sent out to the right destination. The responses and information you want need to directly to you. So an IP address plays a significant role in that you and your computer actually connect to the internet directly. First, connect to the network that is connected to the network itself, and second, grants or give you access to the internet. So the network might be your internet service provider, or as we all know in the chapter 1, which is ISP at home, or a company that network at work, or a wireless network at a hotel or coffee shop, etc., and so on and so forth. But millions of computers on internet, how can your single computer jump right in and you are work or professional emails without any problems? So that's the problem of the IP address. So now let's proceed. What are the protocols in of an IP address? So our protocols of IP address is to make sure that you can do your thing on the internet. Your computer networking software is hardwired to follow a list of built-in networking standard and rules. Yes, protocols. So to connect to internet and to swap information and data back and forth. So long IP address, it was a nice and it lasted. So when you are at home, an IP address is assigned to your computer by your internet service provider, which is ISP, another again. So think Time Warner Cable, Cox Communication at AT&T. Since they were giving you access to the internet, it's their role to assign IP address to your computer. Your internet goes through them and they route it back to you using your IP address. So there is so many ways that you can relate on your IP address. And the other is that what is an IP address in definition of some uh, all over definition. An IP address is a unique string of numbers separated by periods that identifies each computer using the internet protocol to communicate over a network. So, a internet protocol address is a numerical number, as it says, that is assigned to each devices that for your computer, example for your laptop, for your tablet, cell phone, etc., and so on and so forth. So, a protocol communication, an IP address serves two main functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing. So, how does IP work? IP address is a unique address identifying machine, a network that's serving for routing for forwarding IP packets from source to destination. So, in short, TCP is data while IP is the location. So, that is all. And some of you guys don't know how to find your IP address. So, this is how do you find your IP address. Open the command prompt press win plus R, type CMD into the field, and press enter. Open the command prompt. Run the ipconfig tool, type ipconfig and press enter. Find your IP address. Your active connection may be labeled wireless network connection, internet adapter, or local area network. So that is all that we've all known about IP address. So the second one is that what is an IPv4? And before we proceed, I will give you some history about IPv4. It's a fourth version of the Internet Protocol. It is one of the core protocols of standard-based internet networking methods, the Internet, and other packet-switched network. IPv4 is the first version deployed production in the APRANET in 1983. It still routes most internet traffic today, despite ongoing deployment of successful protocol. IPv6 and IPv4 is described in IETF publication September 1981, replacing an earlier definition of RFC 760 on January 1980. So guys, an IPv4 uses a 32-bit address space which limits the number of unique hosts to, for example, 242.962.296.292 to the raise of 32, but large blocks are reserved for special network methods. So the purpose of IPv4 is the protocol that defines and enables internet working at internet layer of the internet protocol. So from the internet is using addressing system performs routing, forwarding packets to a host next to the router, and intended destination host to another network. IPv4 connection protocols operates best delivery and so on and so forth. It uses 32-bit address. Just to like what I said, IPv4 reserves special address blocks from private or 18 million addresses and multicast addresses from range through 270 million addresses. So that's all that we've known about IPv4. So let's proceed. These are first, what is a number system? So if we talk about IP address, it represents also the number system. So what is a number system? A number system are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into from computer memory has a defined number system. Computer architecture support following number system. So as we can see earlier, there are four types. The first one is binary, the second one is octal, third one is decimal, and fourth one is hexadecimal. So first we're going to do a binary system. A binary system has only two digits that are 0 and 1. Every number value represented with 0 and 1. In this number system, the base of binary system is 2 because it only has two digits. For example, you're going to transform octa to binary. So octa, you're going to chop it into two, and if it's 0, it has no value, like 1101. So if the value of your binary is 1 plus 4 plus 8 equals 13. So the value of your binary is 13. So about octal number system, an octal number system has only 8 digits. From 0 to 7, every number represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the system. The base of octal number system is 8 because it has only 8 digits. So the base of octal is 8, only 8. Binary is 2 and octal is 8. So the next one is decimal number system. A decimal number system has only 10 digits, so the base of it is, let's proceed. Every number represents with 0 up to 9. This number system, the base of decimal system is, you're right, it is 10. So because it has only 10 digits, so we're going to do a hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number has 16 alphanumeric, which we say alphanumeric, we have numbers and letters. So every numbers represents 0 to 9, and if it goes 10, it will be A, 11, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. The base of hexadecimal is 16 alphanumeric values. Here it is A, as I can say earlier, that A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So binary base 2, use digit 01. Example is 111000. Initial value is 0B11110000. The next one is octal, base is 8 up to 7, 360. Uh, Sample is 360. So the going initial value is 0360. So next is decimal, base 10, 0 to 9, 240 to 10, initial value is 240. Hexadecimal 16, 0 to F, F0, 16, so O0XFO. So that's the number system, guys. So hope you like it, and that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video again. And here I'm Mathew, a student of 2105. That's all. Thank you for watching my video, and don't like to share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.